was in the opening minutes we pushed through 261.55, that 2-year channel bottom. This is the makings of a sell signal rejection, especially given the fact that on the daily chart, we also closed above this 2-week channel top at 261.31. So this is a solid zone to buy into on a dip, and above which, with yesterday's volatility, we could test 294.78 today. I think this, combined with the pushing back above the 261.31.55 area, if we can now close above 294.78, that has real bearing on continued recovery, actually up to 381.06 over the next 3 to 5 weeks, 2 to 3 months. Depends on volatility, market momentum, etc. But yes, 294.78, descending channel top, able to contain weekly highs. There is enough time for us to top out at 294.78 perhaps today and fall back to close Friday, back below that 261.55 long-term channel bottom. So remember, this is just a significant intra-week penetration of a long-term resistance area. It's not really support yet on the weekly chart because we haven't closed above it. So the week is still young. I'm not trying to paint an overly bearish picture. I'm just trying to be realistic that we can fall back and close the week below 261.55, which would still maintain a 150s, 160s longer-term objective. But right now, that's being rejected on an intra-week basis. You can buy 261.31 to 55 on a day trade basis, on a 3 to 5 day swing trade basis. If you want to buy that area on kind of a 2 to 3 month basis, anticipating the possibility of 381.06 over that longer term time frame, you also obviously want to see the market close above 294.78, because that is really what I would call the final shoe to drop on a long-term show of strength, a long-term buy signal up to 381.06. It just hasn't materialized yet. And for those of you who are anxious to sell Tesla at an optimal price point, we blasted through one on Monday. The next one may be in reach today at 294.78. We could top out at 294.78, fall away to close the week back below 261.55, and then we are back on our heels, back on the defensive as we move through the month of April and into May. Yes, the 154.50 to 160.60 region in reach over the next month or two if we close Friday below 261.55. Check us out at wickedstocks.com. You get a 5-day free trial up front. You also get weekly Apple stock, daily triple Q, daily SPY, weekly S&P 500, weekly NASDAQ 100 analysis, and 2 stock picks every week. You can see that all by going to wickedstocks.com.